Want to stand out from the crowd and leave your competitors in the dust? In this video, I'm sharing powerful strategies to help you outshine your competitors and rise to the top in your industry or niche. In today's competitive world, standing out is the key to success. Whether you're building a business, advancing in your career, or launching a side hustle, outshining your competitors is crucial. The good news? You don't need to be the biggest or the loudest. You just need to be smarter. Let's talk about how you can rise above the competition. Step 1. Know your competitors inside and out. Before you can outshine your competitors, you need to understand them. Take the time to research what your competitors are doing, what's working for them, and what isn't. Pay attention to their strengths and weaknesses. This gives you a competitive edge, because once you know where they're falling short, you can find ways to do it better. What sets you apart? Maybe it's customer service, a unique feature in your product, or your content style. Knowing this will allow you to target those areas where you can excel. Step 2. Offer something unique. The key to standing out is offering something unique. It's not enough to be just another version of what's already out there. Think about how you can add value in ways your competitors aren't. This could mean offering a product or service with added benefits, a more personalized experience, or even a fresh perspective. Whether you're offering a unique product, a more efficient service, or simply a different approach, make sure what you're doing offers something your competitors don't. Focus on your niche and perfect it. Step 3. Focus on building relationships. People want to do business with people they trust. One of the best ways to outshine your competitors is by building strong, lasting relationships with your customers, clients, or audience. Engage with them regularly, ask for feedback, and show them you care about their needs. Go the extra mile to make every interaction meaningful. This kind of personal connection fosters loyalty, which is invaluable when it comes to standing out in a crowded market. Step 4. Stay consistent and deliver quality. In a world where everyone is constantly trying to keep up with trends, it's easy to get distracted. But consistency is key. When you deliver quality consistently, whether in your products, services, or content, you build trust and a reputation that competitors can't match. Staying consistent with your brand, messaging, and value propositions will make you more memorable and reliable in the eyes of your customers or audience. Step 5. Invest in your personal and professional growth. To truly outshine your competitors, invest in yourself. Whether it's continuing education, learning new skills, or working on your mindset, growing personally and professionally will make a big difference. When you commit to ongoing growth, not only do you become more valuable to your audience, but you also position yourself as a leader in your field. Competitors who aren't focused on self-improvement will be left behind. So, if you want to outshine your competitors, start by understanding them, offering something unique, building relationships, staying consistent, and investing in your growth. These strategies will give you the edge you need to rise above the rest. For more money-smart tips and success strategies, stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone looking to level up and outshine the competition.